Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simplifying fractions worksheets. So this video presents a few worksheets where we can do some practice on simplifying fractions, that is, writing a given fraction in its simplest form. Now here we have 8 quite straightforward fractions. Now we've already done the lesson on this, so if you're not sure what to do, just go straight to the end of the video, click on the link, and that will take you back to the lesson and it will explain what to do. Very quickly, without doing any of them for you, if we look at the first one, find a number that divides evenly into both 9 and into 15. The largest number if you can. That means you'll get the answer a lot quicker. That's how you do it. Do that division for both the numerator and the denominator, and that will take you to the simplest form. Now here we have 8 more fractions. Now you can see the fractions are a little bit more involved. They're a little bit larger, but the principles are the same. I repeat, this is a fairly straightforward one. You may be able to pick the largest number that divides into both of them. If you can't, then have a little look and say to yourselves, now, are these two numbers even? If they are even, divide each of them by 2. And then that will reduce them down and keep dividing until you go as far as possible. Now have a look down here. Here's a large one also. Can you see here that those two numbers are both even? So if you have trouble finding the largest number to divide into the numerator and the denominator, just divide by 2 and keep simplifying until you get closer to the answer, and eventually you'll find the answer. Okay, we go down here, for example, to the last one, which is quite difficult. It's very difficult to pick a number that is the largest number that divides into both of those. So basically, divide each of them by 2. That makes that a lot smaller, and then work out what other number divides into the new fraction. And keep doing that, and you will eventually get to the answer. That's the beauty of this. Doesn't matter how many times you do it, you'll actually get to the answer in the end. So this video has introduced us just to a few slides which give us practice in simplifying fractions, and the method we use, of course, is to find a number that divides evenly into both the numerator and the denominator. One number only.